This is the SimPure Y10C Countertop Cold Water Reverse Osmosis machine, and it's pretty awesome. It came packaged really super safely. It was completely wrapped in bubble wrap and packaged great, nothing to worry about there. The company sent me this product to check out and make a video for it, so let's do it. The whole thing comes pretty much assembled and ready to go. There's only a couple of parts that need put on, and it's really simple. Inside the package, the machine, this pitcher and this tray right here are separate, and the tray just literally just slides on the front and locks in like that. Super easy. It has a really sleek and clean looking design. It may look a little larger than it is right now since I have it sitting on my kitchenette countertop right here. It's a small counter, but I love the white. It goes with everything. Size wise, just so you know, it is about 16 inches this way, 16 inches this way, and about 8.5 inches wide. And it weighs in at just about 21 pounds. A couple of things that I really like about the Y10C is, one, it is a countertop unit and it requires no installation whatsoever. After you unpack it and you attach the drip pan that I showed you, you simply just plug it into electric. It is a 2-prong plug that's about 48 inches long, so plenty of room there. It has 2 filters inside of here, which I'll show you in a minute, and they both come pre-installed, so you don't have to worry about putting them in at all. They're already in there for you, ready to go. I love that I don't have to connect it to a water source. I can take it upstairs to my office or down here to use in my kitchenette. Just to show you too, it came with a really great set of instructions on here that are easy to read. When you first get this, you're going to want to flush the system 3 to 5 times according to the instructions. Simple, you just follow these steps. You're going to fill up your water tank in the back here. It's going to filter the water through into the pitcher. Then you're going to press the ambient water in and drain it out. You're going to want to do that 3 to 5 times. I've just actually taken the drip tray off and hung it over the sink here. But of course, you could put that in a cup and put it in some plants or whatever if you want. But the second thing that I really like about this is that it has cold water on demand with a room temperature setting of 43 degrees to 59 degrees. You just press and hold the cooling button to set the temperature, and you can press it all the way up to whatever you want. Let's just leave it on 48 for now. Going through the panel here, we can see that there's a pitcher light that lets us know that the pitcher is in place and working the way it's supposed to. Right now it is in cooling mode. You can turn that off or on. And I've got it set to cooling mode right here. It automatically defaults to 43 degrees Fahrenheit. There's a reset button here for when you put new filters or new cartridges in. You just press the reset button when you're done. There's a manual flush on here. If you're not going to use this for a week or so, like say you go on vacation, you may want to flush this out when you get back. Easy enough. On the front here, you've got 2 different ways to dispense the water, ambient and cold. And cold obviously is going to be whatever temperature you have it set at. Another couple of cool things about this, once you've read the instructions and you know how it all works, it's got a couple of quick reference guides on here for you on the top. You get 7 stages of purification and filtration in one machine. If you pull off the lid here off the top, it is equipped with a 5-in-1 MRO Millennium Reverse Osmosis filter, which filters for about 8 months or 6,000 bottles of water. And when you need to change that, they've given us a little tool here that you turn and pull the cartridge out with and tighten it back up with, so that's very nice. And behind the pitcher is the CTO chlorine taste and odor filter. It's a cool little spring-loaded compartment here. You just pull this off, this slides out, and you turn it to replace that. Put it back on, turn it, snap it into place, and you're good to go. This filter is generally good for about 6 months or about 5,000 bottles of water. And back to the panel here, we have an ultraviolet light for the 7th stage of purification. Also on the front here, you've got first filter and second filter, so you can monitor the life of the filter using these 3 bars. Each of these bars represents a third of life, basically. So if you've got 2 bars, you've got 2/3 of the filter left. Another neat thing about this Y10C is that it comes with this portable pitcher right here. The water inside the pitcher is already filtered and it remains at room temperature, but it can be conveniently removed and taken out to the dining room table, the coffee table, or the patio for a refill if you want. A lot of options there. The pitcher itself, you can see, is 0.32 gallons of water. The tank holds 1.3 gallons of water, and there is some water that's held in reserve in the cooling section of it. So roughly about 2 gallons of water in here all in one time, and it will occasionally flush itself out. It'll flush the pipes out and stuff, and it does that on its own. On the back here is the water tank. This can be removed, placed into a sink and filled up, and then put back in there, or you can just use a pitcher or something and fill it up. There's a max line right here in the back too, so you know how far to line it up. It slides into place easy. Just put the lid back on and you're ready to go. Once you refill it, it pulls the water through the internal workings of the machine and through the filter cartridges. It pulls the filtered water into this pitcher. And when you're ready to use it, let's just say we want some ambient water right here. You just press the button, water starts to flow. And you can see it's a nice stream on there. What it's doing is it's pulling water that's already been purified from this pitcher into the glass. One thing to keep in mind is it doesn't shut off. You have to shut it off manually. So when you're ready, you just press the button again and it stops the flow. And once that's done, you can see the pitcher starting to fill back up again because it's pulling water from the tank in the back through the cartridges back into this water pitcher again. You saw me put the ambient water in. If you want to use the cold water, you just press the cold water side and you can see the UV light kicks on and it's sending me 43-degree water right into my cup. Press it again when you're done. Pretty awesome. So there you go. Great tasting water on demand with no installation required. This would be great for homes, obviously, the office. This would be great in a dorm room. Great in an RV, anywhere really. Very nice, good looking system. Great tasting water. I love it.